Steaming your clothes is usually a dull, completely uninteresting chore, so most people try to rush it as much as possible. That sometimes ends up with burn marks or uneven steaming, especially if you have a low quality steamer. If you are looking for an upgrade, we've sifted through dozens of steamer models for your convenience. I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Off with Buterol's steamer. Essentially, this is a lightweight steamer supplied with a ton of very convenient features. Even though it belongs to the budget price point category, it has a lot to offer in terms of performance. The dimensions of the steamer measure 6 inches by 4.3 inches by 10.7 inches, and it weighs approximately 2.09 pounds. That being said, it's pretty small and remarkably lightweight. Some of the most notable features it comes supplied with are the detachable water tank, the patented pump steam technology, the fabric brush, lint brush, as well as the creaser. The design of this steamer is absolutely amazing. Due to pump steam technology, this model is fully leak-proof and exceptionally easy to handle. On top of that, the package also includes 3 gratis features, including the creaser, the lint brush, and the fabric brush attachments. The only thing you might not like about this steamer is the fact that its water refill spot is quite petite. The refilling process itself is pretty straightforward, and even the preheat time is excellent. However, you might need a couple of tries to figure out exactly how to refill the water once it runs out. All things considered, Buterol's steamer is pretty powerful and has a terrific price-to-value ratio. It is among the lightest clothing steamers in our review, it packs a reliable motor, and it comes supplied with a strong heating element. We highly recommend it to people who are not only looking for a cheap steamer, but also to everyone looking to get the most bang for their buck. MagicPro's portable garment steamer is one of the best high-performance models that can actually fit inside a pocket. Its dimensions measure 12.6 inches by 7 inches by 5.3 inches, and it weighs roughly 3 pounds. Just like our previous pick, it sports a leak-proof design, but it also rocks a unique electronic pump that gives it a slightly bigger edge in terms of raw performance. The first thing most people who have used MagicPro's portable garment steamer will tell you is that it's incredibly easy to use. It's small and portable and rocks a leak-proof design that makes it incredibly reliable. In all fairness, weighing 3 pounds is light by industrial standards, but in comparison to our previous pick, this model weighs almost a pound more. Even so, MagicPro's garment steamer's performance is leagues above similarly priced models. It's very simple to use, its heating element is top-notch, and more importantly, it offers a bit more convenience than standard steamers due to its leak-proof design and petite construction. If you are looking for a professional, heavy-duty steamer, we strongly suggest you check out the PureSteam 2020. This is one of the newest clothing steamers on the market, and it packs adjustable steam intensity settings, a burn prevention safety cap, and a huge reservoir that can withstand several hours of runtime. Its dimensions measure 18.5 inches by 12.5 inches by 12 inches, and the entire system weighs roughly 13 pounds. Regardless of whether you need to get some clothes steamed in a hurry or if you're making a living out of it, the PureSteam 2020 is a perfect solution for you. Not only does it provide you with means to control and customize its power output, but it's also one of the safest steamers to use due to the burn prevention cap. There aren't many things that could be improved in regard to PureSteam 2020. It's big and heavy, but that's only to be expected out of a powerhouse such as it is. In a nutshell, if you are looking for a powerful clothing steamer, you should look no further. This particular model packs all the power you'll need to finish up steaming your clothes quickly and efficiently. A stand-up steamer is ideal for steaming up a lot of clothes simultaneously, so if you are looking for a quality one, we recommend Jiffy's J2000 steamer. Its dimensions measure 17.5 inches by 11.5 inches by 16.3 inches, and it weighs about 17 pounds. Some of the most notable features this steamer comes supplied with are the 1.3 kilowatt heating element made of solid brass, 1.5 hour runtime, and high-impact plastic construction. The best thing about Jiffy's J2000 steamer is that it's built like a tank. It's made of highly resilient plastic material that can withstand years and years of use given proper maintenance. On top of that, this little machine is powered by a super strong heating element that needs only a couple of minutes to warm up. The base of this steamer features a set of rolling wheels. Although they are quite handy and fully functional, they aren't as durable as the rest of the construction. At the end of the day, what separates Jiffy's J2000 garment steamer from other stand-up models is its well-roundedness. It's big and durable. It heats up in less than 2 minutes, although it can't compare with PureSteam in terms of power. We're pulling the curtain down with Rowenta's XCell Powerful DR8120 handheld garment. Basically, this model borrows the best things from all the steamers we've covered so far, and completely negates the drawbacks they could normally present. It rocks a 1.6 kilowatt motor and sports a petite leak-proof design, with its dimensions measuring 8 inches by 6 inches by 11 inches. It weighs only 3 pounds and is suitable for use on every possible type of fabric. As mentioned a bit earlier on, this steamer is very well rounded and offers the benefits of all other steaming categories. It's small and light, but it's also very powerful and promises reliable, consistent performance. It's suitable for use with all fabric types, regardless of size, thickness, or complexity. It packs several different operational modes that allow you to sanitize, de-wrinkle, or even clean jackets, suits, and other types of clothing that typically demand special cleaning tools. Rowenta's DR8120 also packs a big and fully removable water tank that can hold up to 6.76 ounces of water. This not only makes the refill simpler, but also the maintenance process. It's just a tad heavier than its predecessors, DR6131 and DR7000. They offer similar benefits in terms of motor strength and reservoir capacity, and are available at a slightly more approachable price. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.